Hey guys, so today we're gonna do my boxycharm and my Topbox subscription box for April. Sorry, I forgot what month we were in there for a second. We're in April. So these are heavy this month, especially this one. Like you can tell that the box is warped and whatnot. So let's try this one first. So I've seen a few spoilers and I did pick one of the items in here, so I do know what one of the items in here is. So this is what the box looks like this month. And of course the one that I picked is right on top. So this month is, so I think it's boxycharm #box spring rival, I think it's called, or reveal maybe, I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. So let's just dive into the first thing in here, which I picked out. This is from Beauty Bakery, and this is the Flirty Looks palette. This is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, I totally ripped the packaging. Oops, that's okay. So this is what the palette looks like. It looks exactly like this. And then hello? Do you want to come off? Seriously? You don't want to come off? Does this not come off? Oh, there we go. It comes off. So this is what the palette looks like. This is definitely my style. I'm definitely keeping this one. Usually don't keep the palettes that come in boxycharm, but this is definitely calling to me. I do have a lot of similar colors, except for maybe like these two I don't really have. But these are very pretty. I'm really excited to use. Oh. Ooh, let's try this one too. Ooh, okay. Yeah. yeah. There's a reason why I picked this palette, and that's it. I'm really excited to try this one. And it's got a huge mirror in it, which I'm really happy about. So the palette is a $38 palette, so that's actually really good. I don't own anything from Beauty Bakery, I don't think, and I was really excited when I saw the palette for me to be able to pick this month. And then there is 4 more items in here, and let's just start off with this one. So this is from Georgette Keeler, I think it's called. I don't know. This is a vitamin C mask. Okay, let's see what this. Is it an actual mask or is it? Okay, so that's what the bottle looks like. And there's a little pump. And let's see what it says. Restores your youthful tone and texture. Improves radiance and clarity. Okay. Fights signs of aging caused by UV damage. Well, that's good. Promotes healing and repair. It brightens dull and uneven skin, draws impurities from pores, and it soothes and firms. This brand has been around since 1941. Never even heard of them. It says apply the mask after cleansing your face and your toner. Avoid eye area. Leave mask on for 15 minutes. Allow the clay to soak up impurities. Gently rinse with lukewarm water. Remove any traces of mask with your toner. Use 2 to 3 times a day. I mean, no, a week. This one isn't like one of those peel-off masks, so this is something I might end up using just because it sounds pretty interesting, but I'm not really sure. I'm going to do a little bit more research on it. This is $36. Ooh, jeez, that's okay. I mean, if it works, it works. And then I'm going to just jump right into something that I'm not sure about. So this is from Lucky Chick, I think it's called. This is a liquid eyeliner, or sorry, a liquid eyeshadow. Okay, and this is in rose quartz. Let's see what that's kind of cute. This looks like, oh, I don't really love this brush. Oh, that's kind of cute. So it kind of reminds me of the Stila ones. That's the color that it is there. It kind of yeah, like I said, it reminds me of the Stila ones. There's no glitter in here, so I don't know if I would actually use this. It looks like there's a tiny bit of shimmer to it, but I'm not sure if I will be keeping this one. It looks really nice. This is a $22 product, and it says that on the thing that it says it's brand new to boxycharm. So we'll see. Okay, there are 2 more items in here, and let's just start off with this one here, which not impressed with. This is a Christophe Robin, I think. Christophe Robin. I may be butchering the name, but it's Paris. Okay, so this is a French product. The French is on the top and then the English is on the bottom. So this is an instant volume leave-in mist with rose water. Lifting roots for fuller length. Fuller lengths, it says on here. So what you do is, I'm not even gonna find the English on here. Directions apply to volume, wow, if I could learn how to read. It says apply to, after using volumizing shampoo and conditioner, shake well, and then it says apply to dry or damp hair. Why the heck would you put this on dry hair? That makes 0 sense to me. Misting the roots and lengths. Shake well before use. Okay. Avoid contact with eyes. This is from UK. It says made in the UK. Well, I'm going to do some research on this. I'm telling you, I'm definitely not keeping this. I don't need volume. My curly hair has enough volume. I don't know if you can tell, but this ponytail's big. It's definitely not a nice sleek ponytail. Like literally, my hair is never, my hair does not lack volume. But I also don't like the smell of rose water. So I don't know if it smells like it. Oh, it does. Yeah, no, that smells like some rose potpourri. So let's just see how expensive this is. This is $39. Are you out your mind? No, I'm not keeping that. I'm gonna give it to one of my friends at work. I'm gonna do some research first, because if it's a non-salon brand, I'm not giving it to one of my friends that work in a salon. But there's that. That I'm not keeping. So there's 2 items that I'm kind of may not be keeping. And then this is the last item in here, but this is a double item, and this is the Perfect Duel, it says. This is from Flirtatious Looks. I think it's Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. This is the Quick Beat versus the Mini Base. Okay, so in here, I think it's 2 different things. 1 and 2. That's, oh, yeah. So there, good if I can get it out. Okay, 2 items in here. And one is this brush here, and this is the mini base brush. So this is, what does it say on this box? How to use, prep, apply, and beat. But I don't know what beat means. But this is it says mini base, so I'm assuming it's a foundation brush. It is really cute. It is very soft. And then there is a sponge in here as well. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because I already have a beauty blender at the moment that I'm working on. So there is that. So that's pretty interesting. I'm definitely going to keep this and give it a try. It's actually, I really like the idea of having like a little pack. This is $30. That is everything in my boxycharm for this month. This is how much it is. It cost for everything. I am going to, this has definitely dried down and it's not really coming off, so I might actually end up keeping this. This I'm definitely not keeping. Everything else is definitely really awesome. All right, now for this one, now for the top box of April. This is very, oh, that is why it's been sticking out. So if you watched my last top box video from last month, we got an Alicia Keys, I think it's an eye cream, but it was definitely a lot smaller of a product. I think it's probably an under eye cream. So let's just start off with this, since this is definitely the piece de resistance in this packaging, or in this one. This is Keys Soul Care, which is Alicia Keys brand, and this is a golden cleanser. Open it up. It's quite heavy. This is 170 mils, so this is a full-size product. No wonder it's glass. That is so pretty. On the bottle it says, "I am devoted to this moment." This is really cool. It's got a little thingy here, so you could take this off and put this back, like put it on. So it doesn't kind of... That's really cool. I'm excited for this. I've looked into this brand. I've wanted to purchase some stuff from this brand, and I just haven't done it yet. So this was literally worth the whole box. This box I paid a lot less for than what I would pay for this. And then there are 3 more items in this box. So there is this here, and this is from Duel, and this is a lip liner in, I don't know, it doesn't have a name on it. It says Lip Definer Twist, Lip Contour. That's the color that it is. I'm not going to open the packaging. There is like a filmy thing on this, like a plastic thing. I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to get rid of it. I don't wear lip liners very often anymore, and I definitely don't wear lipstick very often. The only time I wear lipstick is if I'm filming, because I'm still wearing a mask at work. So yeah, and then there is this in here, and this is the Wella Elements Reviving Mask. This is a moisturizing mask without silicones, and it's original ingredients. There's natural ingredients in here. This is 95% natural ingredients. So this is a mask. I like Wella. It is a very good brand. I like their color line. I like, well, a lot of things from Wella. So that is definitely something I'm keeping. And then this is from Nooks Bears. I don't know how to pronounce this. We got an oil from them last month. Okay, so it's a face cream. There should be a little, there's not even a little thing on here, so, well, I'm not gonna test it out. I'm just gonna give it away, probably. That was everything for the top box of April. I'm gonna get rid of those 2 items, and I'm keeping both of these. And I know that I just got a hair product in boxycharm, and I said I wasn't keeping it, but I am gonna keep the Wella one, just because I love Wella, and it's a great brand. All right, well, that was everything for April's Top Box and boxycharm. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!